everybody? This is Monk and Josh from KCB Outdoors. We had an undisclosed location. About to get on a little trout fishing here back in the woods.
It's been an adventure just getting here. I'm already having a great time, so we're about to get after it and we'll get back to you. KCB Outdoors. All right, folks, what we're doing here, we got these little Berkeley trout baits. We're gonna try them out. Got these little number 8 hooks here. I've never done this before, but Mr. Bobby here seems to be a pro. So I have a dock demon, and he's got the ugly stick dock runner, so that's probably way better. But we're gonna try these little mini rods out today. Who knows what could happen here? We're gonna get rigged up here. We'll get back at you. Hey, you come back here, try to catch these trout. Put a bushing after you throw it. I don't care. All right, we'll get back to you. Oh my God. Okay, guys. First cast. Here we go. Oh, dock demon did good. Dock demon did good. I got one. Yeah, I did. Oh, he put it down. I gotta get back on my game here. They're hitting it, but I'm not getting them. Like, he's got it right there.
You go and hit it 2 or 3 times.
Got him. Oh, that's a brim, isn't it? Yeah. Look at that thing. Okay. All right. That's cool. Whoa. What kind of brim is this? Do you know? Me either. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. That is. Oh my God. I don't know. That's an intense brim. All right. We're gonna get back on it. Thank you, buddy. There we go. Got his hook out. There you go. All right. There's one. We're about to catch like 50 fish probably. That was one of them salmon eggs.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Look. One of the fake salmon eggs. He knows what he's doing. I should probably follow him. I see him. Got him. He got off. This dock demon is not forgiving when you're hook setting. He got off. There's a you got one? Brim. He's got him one over there. Get him in. Oh, you set that drag it heavy. Hey, that's a good brim. Good brim. We may make the transition to a tripod here in a second. Really? Got something here. Got something. Yeah, a little brim. Golly, man, these brim. Coming out of the pond up there. Little brim. Come out of there. There we go. Little brim. I'll take it. Good weekend of fishing already, man. Holy crap. These trout I'm seeing under here, they are just monsters. There's one. Ooh, there's another good brim. Oh my golly. Look at this brim. I don't know what these are. What are they?
I don't know. It's not like the one I caught yesterday. I know that.
There's another one of these ones. I'm gonna call these the flaming brim. They got that round nose. Look at, they got a round nose. Orange all over them. That is a beautiful fish, but I have no, some kind of pan brim sunfish deal. Oh, come on in here. There we go. Awesome. Look at that. Look how round his nose is. What is this? I don't know. Go back in there and get bigger. This is insane to me. When they got the brim in here, golly. You do? I got one. I got a brim. Oh, he got off right there. Wow. A trout? Let's see him. Let's see him. Oh yeah, look at that one. Look at him. Come show him. Oh, he got off. Did you get him?
Yep, got him.
All right, guys, we got us one trout, but they're just not ready yet. But we're gonna take this guy and eat him. But we're gonna go after some crappie now. That's a good looking trout though, but they're just not ready yet. But we caught this one big one and a bunch of brim. We're gonna go after some crappie now. Ain't that right, Bobby?
That's right.
Off-road! Oh, golly. Make sure my trout friend's okay back there. Here we go! Oh, heck. Oh, I got a 7-foot rod. Oh, God.
Didn't see any big arms there, but I know there's some big trout here.
Yeah. Look at that. Look at that. I don't know if I'm going to do that. I'm going to take that. I'm going to take the actual path. Well, way down yonder in the back of Waleska, we catch some fish and kick some ass. See, he gets ahead of me. Dang it, Bobby, he gets ahead of me. I didn't know where I'm at. Driving somebody else's. This is sweet though. This is a Honda something, I don't know what. But God, this thing is just, it's like, it's easier to drive than a Polaris. I'll say that. All right, guys, we made it out in the canoe. Got my first, I didn't have my camera on. First fish out of the canoe, got a little bass. Oh, he choked it. All right, we're gonna get him back in the water. Awesome. There he goes. All right, let's get it. Yeah, no fishing rods. Oh, okay. Oh,
Singing everywhere. They say it's always better the second time around.